The Backstage view is the place to go to open project files, but it can do a lot more than that. When you first open project, you go to this special screen. On the left side, there's a list of recent project files that you have opened. If you want to open one of those files, you just click the name to open it. On the right side, there are icons for creating new projects. They are all sort of existing templates you can use to create a project, or if you just want to click blank page, that will create a new blank project with nothing in it. When you are in project and you have a file open and you go to the file tab, you will see the navigation bar with different things you can do in the Backstage. Now here we are on the open page, so let's look at ways that you can open project. On this page, over on the right side, there are two headings, projects and folders. We are looking at the project list. Now this is showing the recent project files that you have opened. You can click a name to open that file. On the other hand, if you don't see the file but you want to look at your recent files, you can click the folders heading. That will show you the folders, and then you can click an icon to open that folders and choose the file what you want. Let's go back to the project list. Let's say that I have got my ribbon project and I know that I'm gonna be working on this project for months. Well, I don't want it to drop off of my recent project files list. Notice when I point at the name of the project, over on the right side, there's a horizontal push pin. If I click that push pin, that changes it to the vertical and it adds to the project to the pin category. That means that it doesn't matter how many project files I open, this ribbon project file is gonna sit in that pin category at the top of the page. One other thing is that before I open a file, if you don't see the file that you want, you can always click browser. That will open up the open dialog box and you can navigate to the folders that you want and then click the file and click open. In this case, I'm gonna click cancel and I'm take the easy way. I'm gonna click the ribbon project to open it. Let's head back to the file tab, and this time over on the right side I'm gonna click options. That opens up the project option dialog box, and there are a couple of settings I want to show you. We are gonna go to the advanced category, and then on the right side let's scroll down to the display section. The first setting, show this number of recent project, is set to 50, so that's plenty of projects. In fact, it's the maximum. If you don't want to see that many, you can change the numbers. The second thing is the checkbox. Quickly access this number of recent project. It's set to 3, but you can change it to another number if you want. It's turned on, and I want to show you what this does cause it's really handy. So let's click OK. I'm gonna go back to the file tab. Notice on the left side beneath all of these commands there are some project files. So this is the quick access. The great thing is these are always visible when you are in the Backstage, so you don't have to go to the open page. Let's talk about some of other things you can do in the Backstage. For instance, on the info page you can see information about your active project, or you can click organizers to open up the organizer where you can manage customize elements. Of course, you can create new projects in different ways from the new page. You can save a project or save it as a new name. You can print or share or close a project. And finally, if you click account, you'll see information about your Microsoft account. You'll see information about your software with your Microsoft account. The setting that you have will be saved with your account, so could log in into the project from another computer and still get your settings. The file tab takes you to the Backstage view, so you can manage files, set options, and a lot more than that.